Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Well, today's video is my August Order Club card kit. Whew, hard to remember those words. This is about how it's going to look when we get done putting it together. I have an envelope, and this is what your kit will come with for those who ordered from me during the month of August 2023. Envelope. Card base, this little panel, two banners, a little enjoy, and a little shadow of the enjoy. This was actually a Christmas card, and it said joy on here, and I altered it to say enjoy and changed the colors so that it didn't look Christmassy. And that's the beauty of Cricut. You can get in there and you can do this. This was a cut file, and it's an SVG file. In fact, I'll show you in the latest catalog. This is the September-October 2023. As you're looking here, this is the Christmas paper toward the back. Let's see if I can find it. Sure, here we go. Now on this page here, so that you see both pages, so you see the pretty pattern papers, the Christmas stickers. This is the sampler of coordinating cardstock you can buy. Here are die cuts, so I think you punch them out, sort of punch art. And then this is called digital art. And they have been including these, and this is an SVG file that you can pull into whatever SVG cutting system type thing you have. I have a Cricut. I believe they work with a Brother or with a Silhouette. So I love that they've expanded that, and it's not just Cricut, that it's for other cutting machines as well. I'm going to show you how this goes together. Super quick, super easy. I am taking some liquid glue. I think liquid glue would work really well on here. I think maybe a dot roller would also do the trick. And I'm just hitting the little solid squares, so you can see how that looks. So I went all the way around the perimeter and then hit all of the little squares. And I have a little speck of something on here. I don't know what happened, but I am getting lucky, and this sucker is covering that right up. Hopefully, I'm not sending you guys a card base with a speck on it. If I do, I apologize. So then the card is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and 2 1/8 is about the middle. So I'm kind of eyeballing it. You can sort of see the middle based on the pattern. So I'm going to use that as my guide. And again, I'm just eyeballing it. If you wanted to be super particular, you of course can take time to measure and do all of that. Oop. But I'm not doing that because I'm basically lazy. And eyeballing is good enough for me. Doing the same thing with this next layer of banners. Now this patterned paper is from the Life Sahoot, and I think it sold out. It was really cute. It was 2 catalogs ago, I think, but I just thought it was so pretty. And then I pulled in other colors from the zip strip on the paper. In fact, I will show you. So here we call this a zip strip at Close to My Heart, and on the back side of it, it tells you the name of the paper pack, and it gives you featured colors, and it lists all sorts of colors there. It also gives you a year over here, and that's nice. That's a newer feature. It's nice to be able to look at it and go, okay, that was from 2 years ago. Sometimes you don't get to using paper for a little while. I know I have stumbled upon some things in my stash and went, ooh, I misplaced that. I'm going to lay down the next layer, and I am just using this little mark here for my little tabs, and I went with the center line on there. I don't know if your versions will have center lines like that. The Cricut just cut it out. So again, eyeball it, it'll be fine. And again, with the glue, I'm just going to do some dabs in between on these letters and place it down. You could choose to pop it up if you wanted. If that's something that works for you, that would be awesome. I have a little bit of glue oozing out, but this glue, this is art glitter glue, and yes, my bottle is really dirty. That means that I really like it and use it a lot. That's it. That glue will dry clear and no big deal. Cute card. Can use it for lots of different occasions. I thought it was a fun design and I wanted to give it a try with my Cricut to see how it cut out, and it did cut out pretty well. I was very happy with it. Thank you so much for your orders. If you like this video, please subscribe and like, share, all the things. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed crafty day, and I will see you next time.